Yo, what's good people, it's JayCactus, and in today's video I'm going to be keeping it kind of simple. I won't be going through any specific topic or technique. I'm just going to cook up a full UK drill beat from scratch and see where it takes me. So let's get into it. Alright, so for this one I'm thinking I want to use the free plugin by BBC Orchestra and Spitfire. When you download it, it takes 2 weeks for them to give you access to it. I'm not really sure why, but this is the first time I'm opening it. Straight away the violin sounds sick. Yeah, you know what? Whilst I've got that in my head, I'm going to record it. Real simple. That's in D minor, but I might change the key. Alright, let's go C sharp minor today. I'm going to even out the volume a bit more. Still randomize it, but I think mine was a bit off. I like the tremolo one actually. Maybe with a bit more reverb just to push it more towards the background. EQ too, just to filter it out a bit. The basses sound mad. Start with the root note. So I'm thinking some short strings on top now. So spaccato's the short strings and then long is obviously the longer ones. Tremolo, that's when you get a bit of a wobble in the sound. But I've got the main layer in the bass and now I'm thinking add a high layer on top of it of short ones. So all I was playing there really was the C sharp minor chord and then changing the second one. So I've just quantized that, balanced the levels a little bit more. And then instead of having all of the effects on the individual mixer channels, I'm just routing them to the same bus. So I can select all of these. I've put the effects on insert 5, so I can just right click and then route to this track only. Yeah, that's sounding cold. I like the sound of this portal effect, just with the wet level brought down. Cut out more lows from the melodies. So I want that 808 to be quite up front. Maybe a deep one like this. Actually, I'm going to put these at the end so it can finish on them high notes. Alright, so I've just taken halftime off for now and Portal. I'm going to bring them back in a bit, but I just wanted to bring some energy back. So I've got the first 808 pattern, but I'm probably going to do another one once I start arranging things. Now I can start adding in some perks. Might put one crash here. Alright, so I've just added a couple more perks in. I've added 2 different crashes, an eagle and a chant. So the chant sounded like this, but before all the effects it sounds like this. All I did was put on delay, some reverb, and then little alter boy just to mess with the pitch. So together these sound like this. And then I want this reverse synth. But I only want it to play for 1 bar, and then I'll reset the pitch so it doesn't change. It's already in C sharp. Alright, so I've just about got everything that I need, so I'm going to start mixing and arranging it. I don't want all of the effects and perks playing at the same time all the way through, so I'm going to gradually bring things in and back out. So in the arrangement, I can start with the main strings and the bass, only every other one. And there may be an effect there like an eagle. And then I want that reverse synth in just about here. I don't want everything at the same time, and the drop needs to be a little bit different. In fact, yeah, I could use halftime in the beginning and just automate that to come off at the drop. I could automate portal as well, turn it off in the intro. I might even turn it off until the second part of the hook. In fact, this is going to sound hard if halftime comes off a little bit before the hook. So it's going to come off here, but the rise is going to be happening as well. So this should sound sick. You're not really expecting that. You're expecting everything to happen on the drop, so that sounds sick. I even want to change the 808 pattern now. I don't want everything to come in at the same time. With portal, I might just try bringing it on and off like this. I think that's going to sound better. And then when these strings come back in, I want everything to cut, apart from the kick and the 808 maybe. Alright, so I think halftime needs to come back in for the verse, and then most things need to drop back out. Bring halftime off there, just for that tiny bit, and then come back in. Maybe introduce more of the perks now. Bring this crash back in. Maybe just a little teaser of the strings. But let's see what it sounds like with these extra strings in, because halftime's on now. Let's turn portal off, and then portal can come back in. The eagle can come back in. I think halftime can stay on. Let's try this. Let's chop this up a bit. actually want to automate the wet and dry level. If I come up here, I should be able to do it. And then I want it to come in real high and then just drop back out. So it's going to be something like this. Might change the 8/8 pattern here as well. Alright, so the beat's pretty much done. I've changed the 8/8 pattern quite a few times just for variation. I might change 1 or 2 more things and I need to do an outro and add my tag, but I'll show you what I've got so far. So the intro starts off real slow. It's just got half time on the bass notes. And then it comes off early. I'm gonna leave this chant off for this one. And I might make that synth come in here. So you can hear that the 8/8 changes. I've just panned this little bit here. And then the second string must come back in subtly. Half time on. And then this is where Portal's slowly rising. And then now it's slowed back down just for the bridge. Back into the hook. And then that just repeats, so I might add a bit of variation in the second verse, but the beat's pretty much done. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the beat. I know I didn't speak as much as usual through this one, so let me know if you prefer to just watch the process or if you want me to break everything down. Either way, thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.
JayCactus.